Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. This is M.A.C. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful, very glamorous, gorgeous, glittery eye look. So if you want to know how I create this look, then please keep on watching. As eye primer, today I'm gonna use this Makeup Studio Amsterdam Anti-Aging Eye Primer. I'm gonna take some product on my fingertips. In today's look, I want exact sharp line, that's why I applied a sellotape, and I'm gonna be using this Pretty All Set Eyeshadow palette by Ucanbe. So I'm going to take this color first. Without taking any extra color, I'm just blending this line. The same color in the outer portion. Now I'm going to take this orange shade. And now I'm going to take this mustard color. I'm going to and that color also. So now I'm gonna cut my crease and I'm gonna use my DERMACOL Makeup Cover Foundation for this in the shade 209. Again taking that dark purple shade and just going to add this color more here. Now I'm going to add some glitters. So I'm taking this Delanci glitter palette and I'm gonna use this beautiful shade. So first of all, I'm gonna use it with my fingertips. And now I'm gonna take a small brush. I'm just taking some product in it and I'm just going to dab that here. Now I'm going to take this color from the Ucanbe palette and I'm just going to add that color here. Now I'm taking some orange. So now my eye makeup is almost done. I'm gonna put some falsies and gonna complete my face makeup, then I'll be back. So I'm gonna take this dark purple shade again. Switching to this brush, I'm going to take this orange shade. I'm just going to blend under the purple shade. And now for highlighting inner corner, I'm gonna take this color. I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bone with this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Big Radiant Highlighter palette. So here is the final look completed. I'm loving these glitters and this sharp angle smoke out line. So if you like this look too, then please let me know by commenting below, and if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then please do it and hit the bell icon so you will get notification every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.